Let's do an update on this onion chung. So it's been about 4 days since we started this, because we made this for Valentine's Day. And as you can see, almost all the sugar is gone. There's only a tiny bit left, but I think we're probably just good to filter this out now, because honestly, I don't know how long I want to keep this around. Whoa, it just smells like onion. This is gonna be weird. The color is really nice though. Oh, the smell. I can't get over the smell. I threw a little fermentation weight in there as well, so we'll take that out. The color has turned out great. It smells like onion, but I guess I have to try it, right? I'm really not in the mood. I haven't eaten anything today, and I don't really want the first thing I eat to be sweet onions, syrup. Okay, let's do this. First, let's try a piece of onion. Let's do a small one. Tastes a lot better than it smells. Surprisingly good, actually. A lot like the really strong onioniness is like actually come out. Honestly, it doesn't taste that bad. I mean, if you enjoy onion in general, then not full on like eating onions by themselves, but if you do like the taste of onion, then this is not bad. Let's try the syrup. I'm a big fan of that color though. It's quite nice. Again, that's pretty good. It's weird because you don't get the sort of pungency of the onion, but you get all the fruitiness of the onion, because that tastes like a fruit chung, not an onion chung. Of course it's sweet, but it's not just sweet and oniony, it's sweet, fruity, and floral, and surprisingly good. Let's do it. It's 3 tablespoons of onion chung. This probably won't taste that strong, but hopefully we can get like an essence of onion in there. We'll have to check back in a couple days to see if this is ready.